Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. Hope everyone's having a great day. Just finished picking this Corbin Russwin, and I think I'm going to give one of WestCoastPicks Challenge Locks a try. I'll try this one. The Stig. Thought it said the Sting the first time, I believe. But yeah, we'll give this a try. Well, hopefully I can get into it, because I know WestCoastPicks makes some mighty fine locks. Put some torque on there again. That should do. And my cat's meowing. I think this is a real Schleg keyway, so I'm going to take out some picks I don't normally take out. Some 15,000s, and as you can see there, it's already bent up from my heavy-handed picking style, which is why I don't use them very often. Yeah, I'm a heavy-handed picker, and I always spend 15,000 picks. I have a really hard time with it, but I'll try it out today. Probably could get away with using 25,000s, but might be able to work from the bottom if we have to. Oof. There, that's better. And hopefully my cat will stop meowing, and wow. I'm not sure what, 1, 2, 3 drops this into a false set right away. But that doesn't mean it's going to be easy. I can already tell it's going to be a hard one. Got a false set, but a little counter rotation here and there. Okay, nice click off 2. And click off of 3, I believe. That was 2 again. Gotta remind myself to keep light tension. Ooh, drop some stuff there. Okay. Okay. I think we're getting somewhere. Okay, we're deep. So, looking for counter rotation, but we don't got none. WestCoastPicks really knows what he's doing. And there's my hook bending. So maybe countermilling? I'm not sure. If I'd have to guess, I'd say that there's some countermilling. Oh, kind of bit of counter rotation. Oh, there we go. Wicked. I'm gonna guess countermilling, guys. Oops, I'm gonna spin that 180, but I don't think it really matters. So I'll take that for sure. Don't want this going out of frame because just because. Oopsie doodle. And of course we're going to use West Coast's pinning tray. And there's that pick I was talking about. A few people I was mentioning this to. West Coast Picks, of course, gave me the idea, or had the idea of using this celluloid sheets. Same stuff guitar picks and pick guards are made out of anyway. Oh, we got a bastard clip. And I still gotta unmummy the key. Actually, I don't even think I'm gonna unmummy the key. And I don't think this is gonna help us. This is gonna be one of those videos that the clip removal takes longer than the picking. Oh god, this is gonna be brutal. Oh, sweet. Thank you, Lord. And I gotta get a shim out of my pinning kit. That one should do. I'm gonna try and get this without the key. Oh, we need a hollow follower too. There we are. And I don't think we need to use the key, so just slide this in here in case. Phew. Wow. Nice. Overset traps. And I don't think I fell in them. Could be wrong. Ah, beautiful work. Beautiful. Let's see what we got up top here. Oh wow. Oh, sweet. A drunken spool. Might take the springs out. Oopsie doodle. That came out like this. That one's barely over the shear line. And it's the standard. Oh, this was in number 1. That was 2. Okay. I can't wait to get that new camera, guys. Should be soon, by the way. I know I keep saying that every video, but another drunken spool. As soon as my mom goes to visit my brother, I'll be getting a new camera. Wow. Oops. Good thing I seen which way that came out. That's a beauty. That's probably what was grabbing there at the end. We'll find out in a second. guess that was in like that. I didn't see it. Yeah, it was in that way, because there's no wafer. And these were like that. So nothing in the Bible, which is good. I don't really like doing stuff to the Bible. And we have threading in 1 and 2, or sorry, 2 and 6. I really almost acted like countermilling. Wow, that really grabs, even though there's no threading in 5. And 6 really grabs as well, so that's why I had to counter rotate big time. That was an awesome lock, buddy. Let's give you guys a close-up. And the bottom serrated with a little tapered top. Another double serrated here. Nice spool. Wow, it's hard to do this through the camera. Another double serrated. Single serrated. Or no, that's it's almost like a bomb style. Double serrated here. We had a drunken spool in 2. We had a spool with a serration. Sorry, drunken spool 1, spool with serration on 2, standard in 3. I'm kind of not sure about this one. Guess it would have been in there like that, because why else would there be a wafer there? Yeah, that's how it came out. And we have a spool with a serration, and it's kind of reduced diameter at their bottom here, and T-pin wedding cake here in 6. Pretty sure that's. Almost positive that's how this came out, but if not, West Coast Picks, if you're watching, let me know. I'll put it back together whichever way. So that's what we had here in the Stig. Alright guys, I'm going to leave the key mummied, but you can basically see the bitting here. Pretty nice bitting. Like to align them all at the top. That gives you an idea of what the bitting would look like. So yeah, that was a really awesome pick. Harley, thanks for sending this lock to me. And for everyone else, as always, don't give lock pickers a bad name. Never pick a lock that you don't own or have permission to pick. Alright guys, see you on the next one.